Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're unboxing a tour watch. Kind of removed some of the packaging when I was taking actually, I guess I removed all of it when I took the label off, so well, maybe not all of it. So let's open this the rest of the way. This is a Nezumi watch. I don't exactly remember the model name. I think it starts with a B though. Hopefully it's on the back of the watch. No, that's just someone reusing packaging here. So it's a nice looking watch. I will, of course, do some research before the full review. Just doing a quick unboxing here. It feels really light, actually. Looks to be an automatic movement. Not sure what movement is in here. It is a screw down crown. Let me zoom in. Sorry about that. Looks kind of like, I was going to say like an Explorer, but it has a bezel, so I don't know, it has a 369. So I had two of their watches in the past, two different chronographs. I forgot the names of those watches. So yeah, there's the name there. Nizumi. Come on, focus. Nezumi Baleine, I guess it would be. 200-meter water resistance. Wow, okay. Well, let's look at the case back since we're zoomed in here. Nice leather strap. I seem to remember liking their straps on those two Mecha Quartz chronographs that I had. 316L stainless steel, Baleine, sapphire crystal, 200 meter again, self-winding, so I don't see the movement specified on here. I'm assuming it's probably NH36 movement. Oh, yeah, so it is hacking and hand winding. What the lume's going to be like on this. So the indices are loomed. So that's a nice surprise. We'll do a full loom shot, or we'll do the loom shot in the full review. We'll compare it to my SKX. Actually, I'll show it here side by side really quickly, so you get a sense of size on this. Maybe it's some Yoda movement. I don't know. Like I said, I'll look it up and let me zoom out here. Yeah, I like the way this watch looks. It has the lugs kind of like they had on their chronograph too. Actually looks very similar to that. Kind of like an Omega lug where it kind of twists over a little bit here. So yeah, let's get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. Just a quick unboxing today. I'll spend some time with it and do a full review. The buckle is pretty neat. Just a simple stamped buckle, but it has a little bit of detail here with the bump out for the Nizumi logo. Not quite to the very last hole. I probably could get down there if I really cinched it down. So here we go on my, sorry, I don't like the way this looks with the piece sticking out there, little tongue sticking out the end. So here it is on my 6.5-inch wrist. Just a quick look. Let me know in the comments what you think of the look of this watch. And the bezel action, it sounds kind of tinny, but not. I mean, there's really not much backplay to it, so it does the job. If you use these as a fidget spinner, I really don't use them that much. I just like the way they look. That is a watch with a rotating bezel. Looks to be aluminum as well. So anyway, just a quick video. As always, thank you for watching. Leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.